Yo, so this is like the first time using this app from Sony. You get me? This is the creators app, well, the monitor version of the app, so I actually can see everything that's doing. Like I can see all my settings. I can change the ISO, the iris, shutter angle, everything. First time using it. How long? Battery life and everything. I have low res display or yo, this is pretty cool. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about that. This is the Samsung Z Flip 6. I've been using this phone for about almost a month now. Samsung Caribbean did send this phone to me, and I must say, I really love the idea of it. But as a full-time Apple ecosystem user, it's been a very challenging experience, you get me? But outside of that, I love how clean the photos look, the videos look really good, right? But let me take this out of the box. But the thing about this phone is that when it comes down to social media upload, I'm not sure the quality isn't that for me. I really love the idea of this phone, right? I like how cool and neat it is. Like, let me see if it's going to focus. Like, even in the center right here, when it's fold up, it looks pretty like smooth when it's fold up, right? And I can't really see between the phone and it's close up. Some of the pros and the cons about this phone is like it feels so delicate, feel very delicate, like too delicate because it's a flip. So I keep on have to like try and open it. Like even open it with one hand feels like a task because like there's nothing to really grip my fingers to like open it, right? Um so so basically those three things. Like trying to open it, there's nothing there to really grip my fingers. You can actually get dirt in the creases of this phone, like if it's in your pocket or if you have like some dirt particles in your pocket or so. Yeah, dirt would actually get in between the creases of this phone, which I really don't like. And this phone is actually a dirt magnet because like just using it like this, right? Like just touching it all over, finger smudge, everything all over the smudge. Yeah. I love the fact that the photo and video quality is really good, right? Just looking at it. And I love the idea that I can actually get photos and videos using the main camera when it is flipped. So just looking at myself on this front screen right now, well, front or back screen when it's flipped down, it's easy to like see myself here if I want to do a little recording or something like that. That's pretty dope for me. And it doesn't matter if you're doing photos or videos, you can actually just get the image done. Let me just take a quick picture and set the frame in. I like the idea that I can actually tap to focus. Let me just tap. Oh crap, my fingers was in it. Tap to focus. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty dope. And then for the video recording and the screen like this, it's really good for like creators who you want to see yourself when you're shooting videos, and the mere fact that it's using the back camera, really amazing. But when you're using the video like this, you don't really get the highest video quality there is unless it is open like this. So even though it's good when you're using it like this, you're not going to get the max video quality when it is closed though. But the video quality is pretty good. I was actually showing my friend Christoph about this, and it was like, yeah, it looks pretty it looks pretty clean. So I just wish it did have like that's how it looked like. What do you think about it?
Bro, it's capturing all the colors, bro. Everything's like a real HDR shot, like everything exposed proper on this
And
thing.
say the funny thing is like, oh, I'm going out the sun.
Hold on.
The
Oh,
funny
yeah, I
thing
know.
is, watch it. Look, let's look at it. Like the funny thing is, when I shoot on it like this with the screen flip,
It's smooth. The
it's
transition.
smooth. But the thing is, you get lower video quality. You get
When it.
it flip like this,
Mm,
but you get a higher video quality when you flip it open.
right.
That's crazy. I'm gonna
If
show
you
it to you.
flip it open.
Yeah, if I flip it open, you get a higher video quality. Yeah. But the thing that I don't like is when I'm uploading the content. No, not say upload. let me say when I'm using like third-party apps like Instagram, Snapchat, like just using it overall, the overall experience, I don't know, the quality just drops. It doesn't look the same when I'm using my phone. Well, when I'm using my iPhone. Again, I'm using iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's not even a comparison video because I'm not comparing anything. It's just the user experience for me. So I like the fact that I can take good quality photos, good quality videos, but it's just the only pet peeve for me is just the uploading. I don't know. I don't really see a lot of persons talk about that part of it because like when I'm using Instagram and I upload directly from the phone, you get me, using the Instagram, using the camera on while I'm on Instagram, boom, take a story, record a video. I'm really disappointed in that. You get me? But outside of everything else, the phone is pretty cool. You get me? Phone is pretty cool, but it wouldn't be my first choice to go for. Yo, you get me? Like take photos with it. I like night photos with it. Night photos with it is really good. I don't know. For me, it's a bit too saturated when it comes down to like shooting this type of stuff. So for me, this type of phone would suit somebody who's not really the type of person who will go in depth as relates to like creating content. Like when I use my iPhone 15 Pro Max, I can actually shoot a log on there, meaning look at this video now, you get me, there's no color whatsoever. Snap my fingers, I can just color grade it to how I want it. But now with this, I don't know. I think it's about time that Samsung should create like a log profile. Yeah, you get me, because I think that's like one of the best things to do when it comes down to like creating content. Because like I love the option of shooting in log where you can color grade, you know, the ND filter lifestyle and all those type of stuff. Because I realize that a lot of creators or YouTubers don't really talk about that aspect of these type of phones. Because like when I'm using ND filters on my iPhone, right, I can see the reason why I'm using the ND filters, but I don't really see the reason why I should use ND filters on these type of phones because there's no log profile. I love to shoot wide open when I'm doing like color grading stuff with my iPhone, right? You know, get that Apple ProRes log and a shoot to get the clouds nice, the sky, the greenery, like the all works, you get me? But it's a very interesting phone though, I must say. It's a very interesting phone. This is a 512 version, right? So you have tons load of storage, and the idea of not using AirDrop is very challenging because like in order for me to get like content from this super fast, I would have to plug my phone into the laptop using, I don't remember, I think it names some Samsung Smart, I don't remember the exact name. Like I love the idea of just doing AirDrops because like majority of people who I work with use iPhones, so I'll be left stranded. But yo, this phone is actually unique in its own way. That's all I can say. Like this phone is actually unique in its own way. It feels really good in the hand. Like look at the size of it compared to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is a phone when it is like fold, right? So if I should open it, so hard to open. This is the size of it. It's basically the same size as the iPhone 15 Pro Max, right? So this is it. And you can actually use the front camera for good quality, but I prefer to use the back camera throughout. So like if I'm shooting content, like high quality content on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's kind of tricky because like the back camera is always the best camera, and because I can actually fold this, you get me, the light is at the front, or I don't know how would you word it. The light is here. Say if I want to like have light on myself, I never tried that. I think it should work, you get me. Let me see if it works. So if I should open the camera up on the front, right, turn this down, do I have the option to have light? And I don't see the option to do light. yeah, I don't see the option to do any light thing here, but I'm going to click record on this right now, and you're going to see what the video looks like live, and you're going to get the video aspect ratio, right? So if I should click, oops, so if I should click record, yo, and I love the fact that I can just click the screen to stop to record and everything. Like, I'm looking at the video right now on the screen, and it looks good, to be honest. Like, I get a nice background separation right here. You get me? Let me see if I can turn to the light on. Yeah, I get a nice background separation, right? But then I'm going to switch to the original back camera when it is flipped out, and then you guys can be the judge and see what it looks like. So let me stop this recording. Let me flip the camera out like this. Make sure that I'm at the... Alright, so this is the back camera. So with the back camera, I'll be shooting 4K. 4K 60 UHD. So let me see what it looks like. Get a nice idea. Alright, and it's rolling. Okay, so I have a second monitor over there so I can see myself. So this is what the back camera looks like, right? And yo, one of the main thing I love about the video feature in this is like I can pause and continue, which Apple had that, but I can pause and continue. So if I'm doing a reel where I'm doing like stop, play, yo, that's a pretty good feature. I like it. So yeah, so this is the video quality. Let me stop it. Let me stop it right now. And can I close and stop? I mean, let me see if the video, the video is saved. Oh, so this is what it looks like. This is what the video quality looks like. Interesting. Again, hopefully it, I just don't like how saturated this thing. Oh, I like the sound of this. I like the sound of I feel like I'm making a exit statement. But guys, if you want to see more Android review videos, like, comment, and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching. You know, I was about to get up and turn off my recording when I just realized that I have the app right here where I can just close it. Yeah. Bye.